Hey, what's up? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. Awesome Monday today. GT350. Look how sick this car looks. Of course, Gen 5 Whipple Supercharger. We are going to watch a dyno pull. This baby lays down over 800 roll horsepower. We're going to tell you how we got there. It is running 100 octane, but we also dynoed it on 93. So we're going to show you that graph as well. So hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify us today. I have Doug with me. Let's go check it out. All right, so a lot of you know GT350, one of my all-time favorite cars. This 18 right here. We did a few more mods besides the Gen 5 Whipple. Stainless, works, long tube headers, billet oil pump gears, all the cooling mods. So we're talking the big radiator, Adler. You can check that description and read a lot more about all the parts I'm talking about right now. Rear cylinder head cooling kit. Doug, come down here, take a look. And if you wonder, what's it cost to get something like this installed, you simply email quote@brenspeed.com. But you can check that description and open it up and click on these links because you can read a lot more about it. We use a Gen 5 Whipple Supercharger a lot. We keep those in stock here at Brenspeed. And hey, if you're watching this and you don't have a 350, you have a 15 GT, let's say, or an 18 GT, we keep the Whipples in stock as well for those. But check out this dyno pull. All right, check out these numbers. Of course, we use a dyno jet here at Brenspeed. This is rated SAE. But come over here and take a look. So the high number, the 100 octane, 813 roll horsepower, 7,900 RPM, 547 torque at 7,200. And then on the 93, 775 roll horsepower at right around 8,000, torque 516. So you can see on the graph where 100 makes a huge difference. This car is custom tuned, but this is a straight up Whipple kit as it comes from Whipple. Of course, adding the headers, adding the cooling mods, oil pump gears. Doug, take a look. So I'm kind of wondering, a lot of you that watch these videos and look at all the GT350 videos we do, what's your favorite color combo? Because there's a lot of them that come in here I like, but this is like more my style right here. I'm kind of curious like what you guys think. So if you have any questions, leave a comment, happy to answer. And don't forget, subscribe, notify, quote@brenspeed.com. What's it cost to get built? That's what you find out. We're located here in Indiana. And then at the end, I'm gonna put some links, some other 350 videos you can watch. We love Whipples here at Brenspeed. Thanks for watching.